how to properly invest the right way. Now, this channel, I talk a lot about precious metals such as gold and silver, platinum, palladium. Well, not much of those two, but I do talk about precious metal on this channel. But now, this video is not about just gold and silver. Yes, I may go over gold and silver at some point in this video, but it's mostly about how to invest the right way in everything. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Make sure you guys check out ublives.com so you guys get awesome shirts just like this. And also, if you want to help support the channel by buying silver, you can do so at ublives.com. Question of the day: what are your thoughts about investments? Matter of fact, what are your thoughts about what I'm going to share with you right now? Comment down below, let me know. Now, the first thing is it's like I'm preaching to the choir. I'm pretty sure you guys heard this millions, if not trillions of times already. It's buy low and sell high. And I know what you guys are saying. Eli, come on, man. We know this. Everybody knows this. Everybody wants to buy low and sell high. Everybody knows this. Well, if that's true, then why did a lot of people lose money during Bitcoin? Why did a lot of people lose money in the real estate? Why did a lot of people lose money in the stock market when it crashed in 2008? Why did a lot of people lose money in the dot-com bubble? Why did a lot of people lose money in gold and silver back in 2011 and 12? A lot of people know this, but do we really have it? Like, sometimes it feels like we're just going through the motion. You know, we just say words and it comes through our head. Yeah, we heard that. It makes sense. We know what that means. We know what that means. Yeah, buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. What? Bitcoin is going up? Oh man, I gotta buy it. I gotta buy it. What? Oh man, that's high, but hey, if it's going up, let me buy it. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, man, throw everything. Hey, let's mortgage the house and throw it into Bitcoin. What? Is it going down? Oh, shoot. Hey, let me sell it back. Let me sell it back. Let me sell it back. I bought high and I'm selling low. Oh my gosh, sell it back. What? Huh? The real estate market is going up. Okay, let's go into real estate. You guys catch the drift. I mean, come on, I don't have to go through the whole reenactment for you guys. But honestly, we know it. We hear it a lot. But the world is doing the opposite. They're doing the opposite. Warren Buffett says he buys when people are fearful and he sells when people are greedy. And for me, I see that people are very fearful of gold and silver, but a lot of people are greedy with stocks, bonds, real estate. Right now, currently, right now, well, maybe right now they're a bit fearful of the markets right now. You know, not everything is going right. But buy low and sell high. That's the number one thing to think about. Okay? Gold, silver, it's practically low right now. Historically speaking, it's very low. But you hear, oh no, a lot of people's like, oh, I'm staying away from silver. I'm staying away from silver. And the same thing is not just gold and silver, the same thing in the markets. Back in 2008, 2009, if you were to invest in the market and ask somebody your opinion, oh, no, heck nah, man. No, I'm not buying no stocks. Who wants stocks? Oh, come on. You don't know what you're talking about, man. But back in 2016, 17, yeah, man, get into stocks. Let's get into stocks. Listen, when Robinhood came out, the number of millennials that came on this app, like, oh my gosh, the number of people that got introduced to the stock market, new people that never heard about the stock, that heard about the stocks, but never actually knew what the stocks was about, learned about the stocks. And then right now, a lot of people are getting a little bit fearful. I mean, they're not as fearful. They're still watching it. They're peeking through the window like, yeah, I'm watching it. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Okay. But you know what? I'm going to put my head down. Matter of fact, if you get nothing else from this video, remember this: buy low and sell high. You heard it before? Cool. Now the whole world needs to learn it. I don't care how much time they say they know it, but do they really know it? Come on. Okay. So I want to give you guys a story. I've been reading a Mike Maloney book. I forgot the name of it. Gold and Silver something. Yeah, it's part of the Rich Dad Poor Dad series. It's a great book. I'm not done with it yet, but I'm reading it. He had a story on it that was just phenomenal. All right. So I really can't reenact the story or tell you the story word for word, but I'm gonna give you my gist of it, okay? There was a guy named Bubba 1, and there's another guy named Bubba 2, all right? Bubba 2 and Bubba 1, their parents gave them a share of the Dow each, all right? Two separate families. I mean, they're friends, but they both of their parents gave them a share of the Dow, and this was about 100 years ago, okay? Now, Bubba 2, hold on, which side is Bubba 2? I think it's this side, okay. Bubba 2 kept that share. He never touched it. He never did anything with it. He went through the roller coasters and just kept it all to himself and passed it down to his son. Now, Bubba 1, yeah, Bubba 1. This is Bubba 1. This side is 1. Okay, Bubba 1, he looked at the share of Dow and he saw that, hey, you know what? The markets are overvalued right now. Now, this was about maybe a good 20 years, maybe 10 years later. He's like, market are overvalued right now. I'm gonna sell this and buy gold. Gold was about $30-something per ounce, all right? He bought gold with it. With that share, he bought gold. I don't know how many ounces. I don't remember the book, but he bought shares of gold with it. Oh, he bought ounces of gold with it, all right? And then now the whole craze of gold was going up, and he saw people was getting greedy, and he was like, you know what? I don't think gold can sustain its current prices. It's about to go down. Let me sell that and rebuy the shares of Dow. Now, he bought more shares of the Dow, all right? More than he initially had when he sold it. He sold his gold and went and bought shares of the Dow. And now he has more shares of the Dow than was originally given to him, okay? And then a couple of years later, he saw the same trend about to happen with the stock market. And then what he did, he sold it out, put it in gold, and the same thing happened. Gold went up. You with me here? Come on, stick with me. Gold went up. And then he saw the same thing again. Gold was overvalued. Let's sell it and put it into shares of Dow. Now he got more shares than he had the second time. Now, first of all, he had more shares of gold the second time he bought gold as well, okay? So now he's about to pass on. He has his daughter. He gives his daughter the technique. He told his daughter, listen, you have to know the markets. You have to make sure you understand the markets. When people are greedy, be fearful. When people are fearful, be greedy. And just put your money into undervalued assets. Okay? So the daughter kept the same trend going. Okay? Now back in 2001, whatever, so-and-so, blah, 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 she realized that same share that Bubba 1 got from way back from his parents is now worth, when he did it, actually took the money, never added any additional money to it. It was about in the millions of dollars, all right? Now, remember Bubba 2? Yeah, Bubba 2's still here. He passed away, okay? Bubba 1 passed away too. Now, Bubba's 2 son calls up Bubba 1's daughter. I'm getting confused here, so I'm trying to just please stick with me, all right? He's like, oh man, listen, the share that my dad received from my grandparents is actually worth $27,000. Bubba 1 daughter says, oh man, that's great. But knowing that her shares are actually worth millions of dollars. Bubba 2 just held his stocks and going up and down. Bubba 1 said, hey, when it's too high, I'm gonna sell and buy something that's low. And when that goes high, I'm gonna sell and buy something that's low. He bought low and sell high. Make sense? Hopefully it does. So when you're investing in anything, what are you looking at? You have to look at the history. You have to look at the history. I'm pretty sure someday in the future, maybe 100 years from now or 50 years from now, Bitcoin is gonna have some sort of track record for us to look at. But right now, Bitcoin is fairly young. It doesn't have any track record. Gold and silver has thousands of years of track records. I mean, 2, 3, 4 thousands of years of track history or track record. The stock market has 200 years. It knows how the market is. It goes by the economy. The economy is good. It's good. If the economy is bad, it's taking a dive. And understand that. You have to be patient. You have to be patient when investing. You have to know when to invest. When is the right time to invest? Okay? A lot of people believe that 2020 is going to be a time for a recession. And honestly, if it is, that's around the time I want to buy a duplex so I can rent out to people, so I can become a landlord. Doesn't sound as good when I say it out loud. But yeah, that. If there's a recession, what happens to the housing market? It goes down. It goes down, which makes it a good time to buy. I'm not saying there is going to be a recession, but if it happens, it works out in my favor. I don't want it to be a recession. I want to say that. But guys, that's just my thoughts. The video's over, but the conversation doesn't have to be. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.
That's why I work